Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for menu, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. Before we start, if you want to customize the app menu on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now I'm gonna show you how to open the app menu on the watch. So press the side button to wake up the screen, and then press it again to open the app menu, like this. And here we have the app menu, basically the list of applications installed on our watch, and you can scroll through it and tap on the icons to open the application, like this. And we can customize this menu. To do it, let's open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here select the Amazfit GTS for menu from the list of devices. Now, find the option called App List Management and tap on it. And here we have list of apps. And we can do a couple of things. We can remove the app from the list completely. We can hide it basically. We can add the apps to the list if you have some hidden apps. And also we can change the order of the apps on the list. To remove the app from the list, simply tap on the minus icon next to one, and it's gonna disappear, and it's gonna be moved to the hidden items list. If it's on the hidden items list, it's basically invisible and you won't see it in the menu. If you want to add the item to the list, simply scroll to the hidden items and tap on the plus to add it. So that's how you remove and add items to the list. You can also change the order of the apps on the list. To do it, simply press and hold on the sorting button next to the item you want to move, like that, and then you can drag it up and down through the list and drop it in the position you want it to be in, like this. Another thing is that the app menu is divided into fragments. We have the main page and the more page. So if we open the app menu on our watch and scroll down, you will see that at the bottom of the menu there is this more option. And you can tap on it to open another list of apps. And basically we can move the apps to the more list and move them out of more list. So if you want, for example, to hide some items and have them in the more list, you can press and hold on the button next to the item to grab it. Come on. Okay, and then you can drag it to the more list and drop it in the position you want it to be in. And if you want to move the items from the more list to the main list, you can again grab item. Maybe let's move the compass, like that, and drag it to the position you want it to be in. I dropped it somewhere here. Oh, yeah, let's drop it somewhere higher. So grab it. It's a bit wonky, doesn't want to work too well, but let's grab it and drop it maybe at the top, like that. And once you're done customizing your menu, you can tap on Save. And now your settings should be applied. So if you open the menu, we have the compass, and in the more list, we should have, oh my bad, alarm, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.